Hi, I'm Laura Polko, and I want to talk about how to get long-lasting curls. First, you want to make sure you have the right heat setting for your hair. You don't need to crank it all the way up. That is not going to make your curl last. T3's Curl ID has taken all the guesswork out. You can punch in all your information and it'll set it to the exact right temperature. Another thing is when you're curling, you want to be sure that you're holding it in for a second, not too long, letting it out, and you have to let it cool before you run your fingers through it or brush through it. So if it cools here, that's where your hair will be set. If you run your fingers through it, that's where your curl's gonna set. So it's very, very important to let it all cool. You can even pin it up if you'd like, and then brush it out. Another point that's super important is you want to make sure that your barrel on your curling iron is consistently reheating itself and it is staying at the exact same temperature. So that way you get even consistent results, but you also have curls that last. With T3's Curl ID, there is the heat IQ in it, which means it is constantly reheating itself to the temperature that you set it at for your specific hair type to get the results that will last and give you long-lasting curls.